Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pet Heaven. So in this video I'm going to discuss Japanese Bobtail. So let's get started. The Japanese Bobtail with its distinctive short tail, as you can see in picture, and graceful appearance, is a captivating and ancient breed that originated in Japan, renowned for its unique tail, intelligence and friendly nature. The Japanese Bobtail has earned a special place in the heart of cat enthusiasts around the world. In this video, we explore history, appearance, temperament, health, and care of Japanese Bobtail, providing a valuable insight for cat lover, potential owner, and those intrigued by fascinating breed. So, first of all, we have the history. So, the Japanese Bobtail has a long and storied history in Japan dating back over 1,000 years. This breed is considered a national treasure and it is depicted in ancient Japan art and folklore. Japanese bobtail were highly estimated as a working cat value for their experimental hunting skill in controlling pests in silkworm farm and protecting valuable score from rodent damage. Appearance. So the most recognizable feature of the Japanese bobtail is a distinctive short tail. Unlike other cat breeds with naturally short tail, the Japanese bobtail has a pom-pom-like tail that is unique to breed. The tail is expressive and mobile, capable of wide range of movement and position. Japanese Bobtail have a slender and elegant body with a triangle-shaped face, large almond-shaped eyes, and high set ear that give them a charming and alert expression. Temperaments of Japanese Bobtails are known for their friendly, outgoing, and sociable nature. They are highly intelligent cats that enjoy interactive play and mental stimulation. Japanese Bobtail form strong bonds with their human companion and are often described as a loyal and affectionate pets. They are known to be good with children and get along with their pets with properly introduced. These cats are playful and energetic, often engaging in acrobat antics and displaying a strong hunting instinct. They enjoy interactive toys, puzzles, and games that challenge their intelligence and agility. Japanese Bobtails are known for their unique vocalization with melodic trill that adds to their charm.